Here we go. In a
Good.
3,
Yes.
2, 1.
That's it.
Lego!
Good.
And the machines are off. Okay, swing sequence straight back. It's not good! Well done! It was!
It's been really nice to see how sharing the kids are, because, for instance, one team, their battery had gone flat, and another team just said, here, have one of ours. Now, they're meant to be competing, but of course that's the spirit of it is, well, look, everybody's got to be supportive of everybody else, which is really nice to see. There's no question at all that engineering is a perfectly suitable career for women, and we'd really like to see more teachers, more parents, more uncles and aunts and neighbours saying to girls, come on, do this robotic stuff, do the Lego competition and get excited about it. So, today is all about making lots of noise. Are you going to have a good time? Yeah! So, well, I did it again? Okay.